My first pick is Renuka. After taking support near to 32 rupees, the stock bounced back sharply and yesterday it broke the resistance of 33.50 with higher volumes. So now stock can test its 200-day moving average, which is placed at 37. One can buy the stock at current levels with a stop loss of 32.50.
Titan held on strongly above the long-term averages on the daily chart. Now it has formed an inverted head and shoulder on intraday chart and is now on the verge of a breakout from the same. One may go long at current market price with closing below stop loss of 224 for the target of 242.
My first pick for the day is Balrampur Chini. The stock has seen a breakout from a head and shoulder pattern, and the stock has also retraced after a breakout and has taken a support on its neckline. Once again the upward momentum has started and hence can be bought for a target of 70 in few weeks with a stop loss of 59.
My second pick is Exide. The stock fell sharply from the level of 140, but yesterday it took support and recovered smartly. On the daily chart it made a hammer pattern, so we may see further recovery and the stock can test 135 in next 2 to 3 trading sessions. One can buy it with a stop loss of 127.
Cumin stock has recently formed lower highs and has failed to cross above resistance zone of 445 levels. Now the stock has given a fresh break on the lower side and is also trading below its long-term averages on the daily chart. One may go short between 431-433, keeping a closing stop loss of 438 for the target of 415.
My second pick for the day is Lupin. The stock has remained in a tight trading range since the month of April. Yesterday after the result announcement it has broken out in an all-time new high and with a good volumes. I believe the stock would see further higher levels and there may not be a selling pressure in this new zone and hence can be bought for a target of 640 with a stop loss of 560.